In this video, let's learn how to enable fingerprint lock on your A06 mobile. This is the fingerprint sensor. We can add fingerprint lock on your mobile lock screen. Let's learn how to enable this. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down this page and go to lock screen option. In here, click on this screen lock type option. You can see in biometrics tab, fingerprint options have. You can enable this. Click on continue button and click on next. Before you add your fingerprint, you want to add PIN or password or pattern to your mobile lock screen. Now I add PIN code. I type like this PIN. Again, you want to retype your PIN. Okay, now you can add your fingerprint like this. Place your finger on the sensor, then lift it off when the percentage goes up. You can see a preview in here. Now I add my finger like this. Fingerprint added. Now I click on done button. Okay, let's check how it works. I am going to lock my screen. I add my finger like this. You can see fingerprint working. It is very fast. Now I will show you how to add another finger to fingerprint. Go to your mobile settings and go to lock screen option. In here you can see fingerprints option. Click on it. You want to type your lock screen pattern or PIN. You can see this is my first fingerprint sensor, and if you want to add another finger, you can click on this add finger option and you can add your biometric. In this method, you can add your fingerprint to your mobile lock screen.